Now let's talk standoffs. Some cases will come with some or all of these pre-installed, and if not, everything you need will be in the hardware box that you removed earlier. They're essentially just extensions for the screw holes on the motherboard tray to prevent the motherboard from shorting out on the tray. And they screw in the same way that a normal screw would, just, without a screw head. You can check the hole pattern on your motherboard to determine where the standoffs should go, and which extra ones might need to be removed. Hand tightening these is enough to build, but I've run into issues disassembling systems that were only hand tight, where the standoff will come out instead of the motherboard screw. Just be careful if you do decide to tighten them with a 5mm hex socket driver, because cheaper cases will often just strip the threads or skip back out instead of just tightening down. If you're trying to remove one and you don't have an adapter or driver, or your fingers just aren't cutting it, then pliers can give you quite a bit more leverage, but this will damage its finish if that matters to you. A sacrificial paper towel or microfiber cloth can help mitigate this.